Hello and welcome to our series of Tac-Force knife reviews, and today we're going to present you with our TF-685DNV. This is a beautiful knife with a camouflage color to it, with a military navy ops engraved on the top. This knife measures 4.5 inch when closed. To open it up, simply press on the top, and here you have it. Here is a nice close-up of the blade. Handle. This is a half serrated black stainless steel blade with blood groove. Includes pocket clip on the other side and C-belt cutter. To close, simply press to the left, and here you have it. This is a spring assisted knife and can be purchased at Amazon.com. Again, this is TF-685DNV.